Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a bottle doll. So this time I'm gonna take a plastic bottle and cut the upper half, and then I'll take these two cardboard papers and I'll just cut these sides, and then I'll fold it so that it can stick easily to the bottle cap this way. So once that is done, now what I'll do is that I'll make a coiling with some craft wire inside it, and then I'll just gently pull it out and keep it aside. So this way I get a perfect coiling. Now what I'll do is that I'll cut this part from the middle, and this way I get these two same sizes over here, and then I'll just fold it from the joints, and then these will be the hands. And the middle one will be for the neck. So of course I'll just stick them over here on the other side, and then I'll take some tissue paper and just tear it out. Then I'll just crush it and make the head for this doll using some glue. I'll just make it secure in its place. Once that is done, I'll put it inside, and this way the doll head is ready. Now I'll just put some papers over here just to secure it and make it look even more nice and smooth. So now once this body is done, I'll just start applying some paper clay over here onto the head. So once that is done, I'll start applying it onto the body as well. Now I'll just put some nose over here with the same clay, and then ears as well. Then I'll again take some tissue paper and I'll just put it over here onto the waist. And then I'll put some clay again. So now once that is done, I'll just take some card paper cutout and put it over here onto the hands. Then I'll just make the same cardboard in the same size and then stick it over here on the surface of the doll so that it can easily stand. And now to make the weight over here, I'll just put some more cardboard, and then I'll start painting my doll with some acrylic paints. Again, you can use fabric paints instead. Alright, so now I'll just start making the facial expressions too.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters.
So now the doll is ready. I'll start making the dress for the doll. So over here I've taken some wool in blue color, and then I'll just make some strands out of it. And now this way I'll just make a lot of colors and different shades over here. So it's basically some rainbow kind of dress which I'm gonna make, and that's why I'm gonna merge the colors now one by one.
Let's run away.
So guys, you can use any kind of color combinations, or you can go for this rainbow color too and make a beautiful dress out of your own, and then just tie a knot on this wool so that you get a lot of strands all together.
You try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know.
Okay guys, so now all of these are ready. I'll just cut them one by one and just give them some nice trimming. So I'll just brush them properly and then trim again. So guys, over here I'm going for some Goa kind of vibes. So that's what the dress is all about, and then I'll just tie it from the back side. So now once the skirt is ready, now let's start making the top half. So now over here I'll just take these wool, and it's in a shade of orange and yellowish kind of thing, and then I'll just put some glue on this very mesh kind of fabric and this orange one as well. Then I'll just tie it from the middle and give that sweetheart neckline effect. And then after tying the knots over here, I'll just tie it from the sides as well. And then this will be the straps. So now after sticking this onto the sides, I'll stick these on the top as well. So now this top is ready, I'll just make her wear it and then tie it from all the sides. So now guys, let's start making the hairs, and the hairs will be also with wool only. And over here I'm going for brown hairs, so I'll just make it from the brown wool. Now I'll just trim out the edges, and then these will be some jewelries. These are from some cardboard cutouts and also some rhinestones. Now let's start making the wig cap. So over here I'll just use aluminium foil, and then on top of it I'll stick these hairs. And then I'll just put some jewelries as well, and over here I've taken this blue colored paper, cut paper. I'll just crush it out, and this way I'll just do some more colors. And then over here I'll take this foam sheet, glitter foam sheet, and I'll start sticking them on top so that this will look like a floral crown. Now I'll stick it on top of the head. And then over over here I'll take some white card paper and I'll take these stripes out of it and put these flowers on top of it as well. So this will be the necklace, the floral necklace. Now for the bracelets as well, and tada, my Goa style doll is finally ready guys. This is the look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.
Try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between desire.